Hi guys, so the online tech that I reviewed was Socrative. So it's an online assessment website. You can also get it for your phone, your tablet, and you can make things like tickets out the doors, quizzes, open-ended questions. So if you go to get account, you can see the different types of plans that they have. There's 3 plans that you can choose from. The first one is free, and you can get 50 students per session. You get 1 public room for your class, and you still get the assessment and space race, which is kind of like Kahoot. You can have students play against each other and race against each other. If you buy the $60 a year plan, you get everything inside the app, and you get 10 private or public rooms, which allows you to, do different classrooms. And you also get these cool perks like the space race countdown timer, and you can import your roster via CSV or Excel. And the $100 a year one, you can do 150 students per session. You still only get 10 public or private rooms, and you get shareable links for easy login and restricted access with student ID. The free one is really what seems the most sensible to get. So once you make an account and you get online, you can make quizzes and share them with other people on it. And what's cool about it is that you can make your quizzes multiple choice, true, false, or short answer. So you can see the exit ticket, space race, or quiz. It's really easy to use, and it's a really simple design, which is what most people like about it. There's not really too many drawbacks from what I've seen and reviews that I've read. So right here, this is quizzes. This is where your quizzes are and where you make quizzes. This is your room, and you can also get the results then based off of how well the students did. So this is Socrative.